Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a portfolio website in Wix Studio, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Wix Studio website. If you do not have an account, click on sign up to create one. Fill in your details or use an existing Google or Facebook account to log in. Once logged in, click on create new site to start building your portfolio. Select the option to create a portfolio site from the templates offered. Browse the available templates and choose one that suits your style and needs. Click on Edit to customize your selected template. You'll now be in the Wix editor, where you can modify various elements. To add your own images, click on Media and then Upload Media. Choose the files from your computer that you'd like to include in your portfolio. Drag and drop the images into the relevant sections of the template. Next, update the text placeholders with your own content. Click on each text box to edit the title, description, and other details. You can change the fonts and colors to match your personal brand. To add additional sections, click on Add from the left side menu. Select Section and then choose the type of section you wish to add. Consider adding sections for projects, testimonials, and a contact form. To link your social media accounts, go to Add and select Social Links. Paste in the URLs to your. Once you're satisfied with your design, preview it by clicking on the Preview button. Make any necessary adjustments based on what you see in the preview. When you are ready to publish, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. Choose a domain name for your site, either using a free Wix subdomain or purchasing a custom domain. Complete the setup process by clicking Publish. Share your new portfolio website with friends, family, and potential clients. Regularly update your portfolio with new projects and experiences. Remember to check your site on mobile to ensure it looks good across devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.